Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Jaguar XK. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 4.2-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jaguar has less than 69,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, universal remote, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and power windows.